want to achieve as soon as possible.
Jokanyo mag somo e kaunti ma Migori okwedo wach mar pando nyithindo manigi ng'ol marem dhi e sikul kaka jowadgi mamoko. Kane giyango tuke mag jok mong'ol e alwora ma Nyanza, jotelo manochopo e tukego olero ni oganda duto manigi ng'ol ni kod ratiro mar somo kendo bero ngimagi. Minor gavana ma Migori Agnes Ochilo manodhialo tukego olero ni mono nyithindo mong'ol somo en gima obalo gi chike, kojiwo jopiny mondo mi ochwal nyithindo duto e sikunde mondo mi gisom kendo gidongre ma ok oroch ratichgi. Jokanyo bende jiwo nyithindo mong'ol ni nigi pok moko makende ma nyaka jiw mar neno nosir somgi kinde duto.
Are not their type may see and ape other parents who have taken them to school. We want to invite everybody in Migori to come to the various fields and witness what these learners who are able differently are able to do.
These teachers who are dealing with the special needs children, they need also special attention. They need to be motivated. We know when a motivated teacher is given an opportunity, they will do the best.
We don't choose the kind of children as mothers that we carry in our wombs, but once they are born, please let them and assist them to achieve what they are expected to do by giving the best environment, of course, when you're still with them at home. But once they grow up, please take them to the special institutions that we have, that such functions are not devolved. But I would ask the government to ensure that the attention they give to the abled bodies when they're having their sports, can the same attention be given to these children? And I've taken it upon myself to ensure that I advocate for these children, because some of them cannot talk, some of them cannot move the way we move, so they'll need extra eyes and extra legs to work for them. And as a county first lady, I will also talk to my fellow county ladies from the region so that we give special attention and we advocate for these children, and the caregivers and the teachers also be treated in a special way.